All right, I think this is the third time I've made this video today, so let's see if we can get it going this time. All right, so week 3, April 20th through the 24th, photography. So, a couple things that are going on. Thing number 1, goals for the week. Weekly assignment number 2, right? So, for photo B, that's going to be everyday objects. Boom, just like this. Check out the website. Photo C, what that means, you already know what that means. Go into your weekly assignments, pick one, submit it. Okay. Uh, Other things that are going on this week. Understanding why we edit for meaning. So tomorrow, slash your A day, you are going to be watching a video that I'm going to put together that's just kind of overviewing why we make edits, right? Remember, there's just we're supposed to have an overarching theme to these photos, so they should look like a set. They should, if one of them's going to be in black and white, they should all be in black and white. If there's going to be a kind of a cool tint to them, they should all have that, right? So you're going to try to make them look as if they should all be together because that's the set, right? So tomorrow what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be talking about editing for intention. So I'm going to make a little video. I'm going to put that up and just kind of talk about cropping and straightening things out and just some of those little things here and there. So here's the thing though, is that because we're all editing on different software, it's not going to be a video that's specific how to like click on this, click on this. It's going to be more about like why we do those edits to kind of help tell that story, because we're all going to be using different software. Some will be using Lightroom, some will be using Snapseed, some are just going to be using their phone, which is totally fine. It doesn't matter necessarily what you're using to edit. It's about why you're editing and the story, how you're enhancing the story with your edits. Okay. So on A day and B day, you're going to be editing. And then on Friday, you're going to be submitting your summative photos. Sorry about that. As well as submitting your weekly assignment number 2. Another thing that I wanted to show you quick is that, where is it? On the class website, on the COVID-19 project, I added a new video. It's a video that got put up last week on the Pioneer Press website. It is a video that some folks went downtown Minneapolis and shot, just kind of what it looks like at night. I thought it was a pretty cool video, kind of sad, kind of eerie, but it really kind of telling of the times that we're in right now and just kind of the things that we're missing and longing for, and just kind of the sadness of this whole thing too. So check it out. I think it might be inspirational for some of the stuff that we're doing right now, or just kind of interesting to watch. But yeah, overall, keep plugging away. I know some people have already submitted their stuff. So from what I've seen so far, of the people that have submitted, my question is this actually showing of the times? Okay. And so I know you're taking pictures of people working inside, or some people are taking pictures of just like walking in the forest. But how does that actually show like the time that we're in versus just you walking in the forest, right? Your pictures should be specific, showing a specific story of the things that we're going through right now. I can't actually remember who submitted this, but I thought this was a really good image, of the kind of stuff that we're looking for, right? So we got the mask floating in the tree, we got the normal suburban households and that kind of stuff going on in the background. But this is really, I think does a really good job of telling a story, right, of where we're at right now and how this is a little bit different than the stuff that we're normally kind of used to. Okay, so I'm not going to say who took this, but a really good job with that. Okay, this is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so how are you going to tell your story? Yeah, that's what's going on this week. Please, as always, reach out to me. Questions, comments, concerns. If I'm not clear about something, or if I forgot to like make a link live or something like that, please reach out to me, and let me know. So that's what's going on. Stay safe, and stay healthy, and don't forget to check in with me, people. All right, bye.